Black Promise Project, GenAI Math Tutoring Grant Application. 1. Does your idea align with New School's mission and investment focus? Yes. Our GenAI Math Tutoring solution, Carrie, directly supports New School's mission to reimagine U.S. K-12 education. By leveraging artificial intelligence and complementary technologies, we aim to provide all students, especially those furthest from opportunity, with transformative math learning experiences. We are committed to investing in innovative technology and passionate education leaders to fundamentally improve math outcomes and inspire future problem solvers. 2. Is your work focused on U.S. K-12 public education? Yes. Our initiative is dedicated to serving students and education leaders within the U.S. K-12 public education system. 3. What problem does your organization seek to address? Why? A persistent gap in math achievement affects U.S. K-12 students, especially those from underserved backgrounds. Traditional tutoring is often inaccessible due to cost, limited availability, and scalability issues. This inequity limits students' academic and career opportunities, perpetuating cycles of disadvantage. Our mission is to ensure every student, regardless of zip code or background, has access to personalized, high-quality math support. We aim to remove barriers, close opportunity gaps, and empower all learners to excel in mathematics. 5. Tell us about your GenAI math tutoring solution. How does your solution address the problem you shared? Carrie is an adaptive, 24/7 conversational AI math tutor powered by 7 large language models (LLMs) in a redundant learning load balancing setup. This system delivers personalized, on-demand math support to every K-12 student in the U.S., with optional live sessions with certified human tutors. Carrie provides step-by-step guidance, instant feedback, and tailored practice, accessible via web and mobile for equitable reach. Key features include adaptive learning paths tailored to each student, conversational, Socratic-style tutoring for deep understanding, multilingual, culturally responsive content, real-time analytics for educators and caregivers, seamless integration with classroom and after-school programs. The SKP model, Strategies, Knowledge, Practice, to address root math challenges. We will pilot in high-need districts, gather feedback, and iterate to ensure effectiveness, equity, and engagement. By breaking down barriers to high-quality math tutoring, we will close achievement gaps and build student confidence. 5. Describe your approach to engaging community members and your plans for the next 18 months. Community engagement is the foundation of our design process. We will establish advisory councils with students, educators, caregivers, and math experts to co-create content and features. Conduct regular listening sessions and focus groups in pilot districts for direct feedback. Launch beta testing cohorts with diverse student populations to ensure real-world relevance. Partner with local schools and community organizations for workshops, training, and feedback forums. Over the next 18 months, we will maintain a continuous feedback loop, collecting data, sharing progress, and iterating based on community input. Our goal is to foster ownership and agency among all stakeholders, ensuring the solution reflects their aspirations and addresses their challenges. 6. Which foundation models is your K-12 GenAI Math tutoring solution currently built on? Carrie, iMath Tutor, is in the pre-build phase. The landscape of large language models, LLMs, is evolving rapidly, with new models pushing the boundaries of natural language model, NLM, understanding, and reasoning. We are actively evaluating and plan to pilot OpenAI's GPT-4, Google's Gemini, and Anthropic's Claude, all integrated with a MySQL database, NLM Learning Load Balancer, proprietary natural language processing, NLP, and WebRTC architecture. Our aim is to select the models that offer the highest accuracy, safety, and adaptability for K-12 math instruction, monitoring, measurement, and real-time impact reporting to new schools. Please share a link to a demo of your current GenAI math tutoring solution. Demo is in development and will be provided in the next stage upon grant award. View Carrie GenAI Math Tutor Explainer video by clicking this link. https tinyurl.com Carrie Math GenAI BLAQUE. Please share any additional information about your plans and implementation. Our implementation prioritizes equity and real-time impact reporting. We are collaborating with district leaders, community organizations, and EdTech partners for broad adoption. Early pilots show increased student confidence and engagement, and educators value the platform's personalized learning. We will continue collecting data, iterating based on feedback, and scaling to reach more communities. Our vision is to ignite a national movement for math equity, ensuring every child can succeed in math. 7. How will you know if you are successful? Success will be measured by pre- and post-assessments for each student, significant improvement in math proficiency, increased student engagement and confidence, reduction in achievement gaps for underserved students, high satisfaction and adoption among educators and caregivers, ongoing community participation in development. Long-term, we will track sustained academic growth, expanded access to advanced math, and closing of opportunity gaps. 8. Who do you primarily aim to serve? We focus on PK-12 students in the U.S., especially those furthest from opportunity, including students from low-income backgrounds, English learners, and students of color. Educators, tutors, and caregivers are also key users. 9. How many of each of the following populations do you currently serve? We are in the pilot phase, currently serving about 25 students and 10 educators across 2 districts. We expect rapid growth as we scale. 10. Which grade levels do you aim to serve? We serve all PK-12 grade levels with content tailored for elementary, middle, and high school students. 11th. Is your idea specifically designed to improve outcomes for any of the following student populations? Yes. Our solution is designed to improve outcomes for historically marginalized students, English learners, students with disabilities, and those performing below grade level in math. Equity is our mandate. 12th. Is your work currently operational? Number Carry is a new initiative led by experienced math tutors, policy experts, development executives, and AI developers. We have completed the concept phase and seek $300,000 to pilot Carry for 25 students in Kansas City, Missouri, with plans for national scale. 13. In which states do you currently operate or plan to operate over the next 12 months? We currently operate in Missouri and Texas, with plans to expand nationally within 12 months. 14. Where is the primary location, state, where you currently operate or plan to operate over the next 12 months? Missouri and Texas are our primary locations, with national expansion planned. We are building a model for the nation, starting in the heartland. 15th. Who are the leaders behind the idea? How did their backgrounds inform this idea? Character count, 1,291. Murray Woodard, CEO of the Black Promise Project, is a catalyst for change in Kansas City, relentlessly advancing educational equity and community empowerment for over 15 years. His visionary leadership at the Ewing Marion Kauffman Foundation forged groundbreaking partnerships and innovative policies, fundamentally reshaping the region's educational landscape. Murray's drive has sparked the creation and growth of transformative organizations, including BLAQUE, Block Brothers Liberating Our Community, and the Latinx Education Collaborative, each committed to opening doors for historically marginalized communities. Murray leads the Black Promise Project with unwavering urgency and a clear mission. Black children must have every opportunity to realize their full potential. The organization attacks systemic barriers head-on, deploying high-impact initiatives like voter registration drives, COVID-19 vaccine outreach, educator support events, and the flagship Freedom School, a 6-week literacy immersion that ignites a lifelong love of reading in elementary students. Under Murray's stewardship, the Black Promise Project is not just a nonprofit. It is a beacon for educational excellence, health equity, and civic engagement, recognized by honors such as the KC Chamber ACE Award and the ABFE Connecting Leaders Fellowship. This movement is propelled by a coalition of visionary leaders. Terry English Yancey, founder and CEO of Essential Families, leverages over 2 decades at the Family Conservancy to bridge critical gaps for working families overlooked by traditional assistance. Her expertise in child and family development, curriculum, and management drives data-driven, outcome-focused solutions rooted in the conviction that everything starts at home. Dwayne A. Joseph Sr., founder and CEO of Maranatha Ed Prep LLC, brings 29 years of experience elevating student achievement through innovative test preparation. His work, spanning classrooms across multiple states and post-Katrina recovery, is guided by the principle that students don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. His disciplined, authentic approach is expanding access to high-quality academic support nationwide. Kenneth P. Yancey IV, Chief AI, Intent Digital Marketing, and Data Officer at Essential Families, is a technology trailblazer with a 4-decade career at IBM, Sprint, and Cisco Systems. Ken has championed digital equity by pioneering live streaming for Black churches, advancing neural network, AI/ML, research and development since 1996, and developing secure platforms like KnowW Video. His latest breakthrough, Carry, an AI-powered grant response tool, breaks systemic barriers and advances mental health equity for Black-led organizations. Together, these leaders embody vision, expertise, and lived experience. Their unified, urgent efforts are transforming systems, uplifting families, and inspiring the next generation to dream boldly and achieve fully. The time for incremental change has passed. Kansas City's future depends on bold, collective action now. Our kids deserve nothing less. 17th. Who are the other team members, if any, working on this idea? The core team will hire one administrative assistant to support scheduling and other tasks not yet automated by Carrie I. Math Tutor. The team will expand as we market and deploy Carrie. We are growing to meet the needs of kids everywhere. 17. How many people do you have in each of the following roles at your organization? We have 3 full-time leadership team members, supported by additional staff. United by a shared vision, we are ready, with New Schools Partnership, to urgently, boldly, and collaboratively ensure every child in America has access to the math support they need to thrive. The time